Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Faith Dodger and I'm literally the girl next door. Today I'm going to try out the Emirates airline cable car. If you want to get here, the easiest way is to jump on the Jubilee line on the underground and drop off at North Greenwich. If you are interested, watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. The Emirates airline cable car is a link across the River Thames in London, England, built by Doppelmayr with sponsorship from the airline Emirates. The service has been running since 2012 and is operated by Transport for London. In addition to transport across the river, the service advertises a unique view of London. The duration of a single crossing is 10 minutes, reduced to 5 minutes in rush hour as the service speed is increased. The service comprises a 1-kilometer gondola line that crosses the Thames from the Greenwich Peninsula to the Royal Victoria Dock to the west of Excel, London. The Emirates Aviation Experience is a separate experience to check out. It gives visitors a unique insight into the world of modern commercial aviation and the opportunity to take to the skies on an Airbus A380 or Boeing 777 simulator.
For your safety and security, closed circuit television is in operation at all times within this terminal and at all cabins.
One way.
Just remember the top off.
Okay, alright, thank you.
For security reasons, whilst in the building, please keep your children and you at all times. Thank you.
The nice thing about this cable car ride is that you get your own cable car. Imagine, I'm just in here all alone. I'm just going to enjoy the spectacular views. The weather is crap today. What a day I decided to come out, but hey ho, it is what it is. For people who are a little afraid of heights, I don't know if they're going to cope because it's a bit shaky in here. It's moving from side to side. I'm not bothered. I'm not really afraid of heights, so it's all right. But I think it's much better to come out on a sunny day. It's been raining on and off and it's a little cloudy today.
The cable car is based on a monocable detachable gondola (MDG) technology, a system which uses a single cable for both propulsion and support. The MDG system was reportedly cheaper and quicker to install than a more complex three-cable system, which would have allowed larger capacity cars. The total cost of the project was around £60 million.
So we're making our descent. It's quite a quick car ride. I think it's roughly less than 5 minutes. I would say it's a 3 to 4 minute ride. I didn't check my clock, but can't believe we're already on the other side of the Thames. Well, that was a quick ride. The queues weren't too long and they were moving quite fast. I've heard that there are days when it's really busy, but I've come midweek, so today is a Wednesday, so it wasn't bad at all. It's around 5 right now, so it's not bad. So you need to check and avoid peak times. Some, like around lunch hour, it can be busy. Depends on the day. You just have to check online and see how busy it is. But if you'd like to try it out, I think it's worth it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.